Hi there, Sacha Liddiard here, and in this video I'm going to talk about selling on Amazon and how to avoid getting your account suspended. And I don't want that to send you in a complete panic mode because 95% of accounts that get suspended get reinstated. But it's really well worth being aware of what could cause a problem with Amazon. Now, I started out my selling on drop shipping on eBay. And that's where I recommend everybody starts. eBay, you can get away with a lot more on eBay than you can on Amazon. And it's a great platform to really learn your skills before going on to Amazon, which is a completely different beast altogether. But I love Amazon. You get so much free traffic to your items on Amazon, and you really can sell in volume and just really turn the tap on if you know what you're doing. So what you've got to really be mindful of is your metrics with Amazon. Got to be all over these metrics because this is the main thing that will get your account suspended. So if you look at the late shipping here, if you've done 100 sales in 30 days, you've only got maximum 4 sales that could be late shipped. Anything over and above that, you're going to go over your maximum 4%. And it's even worse on 50 sales. That's 2 sales. That's the only wriggle room that you've got. So, you need to make sure your handling time is set to, 2 or 3 days over and above what you think actually the handling time is going to be on that item, just to give you a bit of leeway if the item goes out of stock or there's any problems, any issues at all. You want to make sure you've got a bit of time on your side to get it sorted. So that's the late shipping. Cancellations, even worse, 2%. But we can show you exactly how you never ever cancel an item on Amazon. I probably cancelled 2 or 3 in the whole time that I've been selling on Amazon. So there's ways around that. So you just need to be aware of it. Order defect. Now the main order defect will come with an A to Z guarantee claims and negative feedback. Now, again, in the time that I've been selling on Amazon, I have 100% positive feedback on the US and 98% in the UK. And that's because I've been able to get the majority of my feedback removed if I ever get negative or neutral feedback. I've done a video on that. You'll just find that on my YouTube channel. But it's really important that you know how to get that feedback removed. Don't just leave it there because it really could harm your account. A to Z guarantee claims, you're going to get the odd 1 or 2. I think I've had 3 again across both US and UK. And you are going to get the odd customer, and you're just not going to be able to avoid it no matter what you do. And sometimes it's completely out of your hands if it's something that's been damaged by the courier before it's actually reached. But once it's reached the customer, it's damaged. There's just absolutely nothing you can do about that, apart from replace it and do everything you can to appease the customer. But you've always got to remember, no matter what, the customer is always right. And if that doesn't sit well with you, and you're not prepared to lose the odd profit once in a while on an item in order to keep your account open, then Amazon isn't the place for you. If you find customer service difficult, then hire somebody to do it. I've got a video again that you can catch on my channel, talking all about virtual assistants, and there are people that specialize in customer service, and they can just do that for you. So have a look at that, because that should help. So again, 1% on the order defect rate, that's 1 sale out of 100. So you really need to be all over it. Tracking's not too bad. 95 sales out of 100 need to have full tracking on. I would say probably 100% of my sales have tracking on. I wouldn't be selling anything where I couldn't provide full tracking. So there you go. Hopefully that helps as far as that's concerned on your metrics. But please do not panic, because you will get the odd review. Sometimes you'll go over and you will get your account put at risk, and occasionally you may get your account suspended. Now, I got my account suspended. I think it's probably been twice I've got my account suspended. And the last one was about a year ago. and I had 150 sales, over 150 sales, cancelled by one of my suppliers. And what was worse, they cancelled after they'd confirmed everything had shipped. So after I'd had an apoplectic fit and thought my whole world had collapsed around me, I pulled myself together and I dealt with it and managed to appeal. And within 48 hours, I had my account back up and running. But there are things along the way that I had to do and be aware of, and how to manage my metrics so that it wasn't even worse than it could possibly have been. So I've been there, had the challenge, and come out the other end. So again, I can help and support you with that. Now, all the training that I received was from Infinii. I've been with the company for 4 years now, and it's excellent. The training is superb on Amazon and eBay, Shopify, your own site, and we've got some fantastic new training that's around the corner. I'm really excited about. But what's important is you get live training. You get the opportunity to ask questions and get full 100% support. And all of the modules that we do for FBA and eBay and selling on Bonanza, it's all kept well up to date. Which is really, really important with any training that you get. And in addition to that, anybody that I refer to in Infinii, I have a group that I run in the UK, but I have people from the US in the group and from Australia as well, where I give 24/7 support, really. We've got a great group of people in there. We've held regular live meetings so you can come and ask your questions. We've got so much information, so many videos that recordings we've done in the past and training that we've done in the past. So it's a training in itself, just being a member of that group, and you get that free as part of your membership. So I run that group with Ian Orford, Tracy Davison and Oberon Demoni. So there's a heck of a lot of experience within that group. So hopefully you've enjoyed the video and you found some useful information, and if so, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, because there's a heck of a lot more e-commerce training on there, and I got some more coming your way. And if you're watching this on Facebook, please just go to the Learn More button, and I can provide you with so much more information. And really recommend you change your notifications to see first. Just click that following button and change the default to see first, and then you're not going to miss any of the information coming your way. So hopefully you found all that useful, and there will be some more videos on their way very soon, and take care. Bye for now.